to my YouTube channel. Good day everyone! Again, this is me, Rose V. Joyce Del Rosario from KCAST, and in this video, we're going to talk about application of right triangles and non-right triangles. So to finally start this topic, let me first introduce to you some terms that we are going to talk about in this video. So first is right triangle. So what is right triangle? So a right triangle or right angled triangle, or more formally an orthogonal triangle, is a triangle in which one angle is a right angle. The relation between the sides of the angles of the right angle is the basis of trigonometry. The sides opposite the right angle is called the hypotenuse. Next is the angle of depression. The angle of depression is defined as an angle constructed by a horizontal line and the line joining the object and observer's eye. This angle is dependent on two factors, example, height and distance. So the third one is the angle of elevation. So angle of elevation is defined as an angle between the horizontal plane and the oblique line from the observer's eye to some object above his eye. As the name itself suggests, that the angle of elevation is so formed that it is above the observer's eye. For the right triangle, here is an example. Bugs Bunny was 42 meters below ground, digging his way toward Albuquerque when he realized he wanted to be above ground. He turned and dug through the dirt diagonally for 100 meters until he was above the ground. So, what is the angle of elevation in degrees of Bugs Bunny's climb? For our solution, here is our right triangle model, and then supposedly here is Bugs Bunny located, and then he wanted to go up here, and here is our angle of elevation. So 100 will be our hypotenuse, and then our opposite will be 42. So using this formula, we'll come up into this. So since we denote this as our missing angle, which is our angle of elevation, and then 42 is our opposite, and then 100 will be our hypotenuse. Solving the equation, we will get sin to the power of negative 1 times 42 over 100. So we will going to use calculator in order to solve this one. So we have 24.8 degree. Therefore, the angle of elevation of Bugs Bunny's climb is 24.8. So, non-right triangle is any triangle that is not right triangle, is an oblique triangle. So, what is the sine and the cosine rule? So, the sine rule is used when we are given either two angles and one side, or two sides and a non-included angle. On the other hand, the cosine rule is used when we are given either three sides or two sides and the included angle. So let's start with our example for our non-right triangle. So A over sin A is equal to B over sin angle B is equal to C over sin angle C. So here is our example. We have two given sides and then one given angle for our example. So A is equal to 17 and B is equal to 20, and then our angle A is equal to 25. So in this case, we're going to use law of sine. So A
over sin angle A is equal to B over sin angle B. So we're going to substitute the value of our triangle to our formula. So A is equal to 17 over sin angle A, which is 25, is equal to 20 over sin angle B. So we will going to cross multiply this one. So this will become 17 times sin angle B is equal to 20 times sin 25 degree. So since we're going to find this one, we will cancel out this 17 by dividing both sides by 17. Divide both sides by 17. Crush the 17 out. So this will become sin angle B is equal to 20 times sin 25 degree over 17. So in the calculator, this will become 0.498. And then, since we're going to find this angle B, so we'll change the formula into B is equal to sin raised to the power of -1 times this 0.498. So we're going to use our scientific calculator. So therefore, our B is equal to 29.87. So that's all for our trigonometry lesson, which is application of right triangle and non-right triangle. So I hope you learned something from this video, and see you on the next video. Thank you.